So here we are, iOS 18 Beta 4. What is new? Well, I have to be honest with you guys. This is going to be a very short video. Nothing much is new with iOS 18 Beta 4. Apple released it a week early, I think, because they want to go on holiday before they give us, Apple Intelligence and everything that is good, basically, in iOS 18. No call recording, no Apple Intelligence, no new Siri, no nothing. You know what the biggest news is with iOS 18 Beta 4? I'll show you very quickly. First, you pull down and you add a new control to the control center, and you can see that the alarm and the stopwatch icon has changed. Also, there is no music app widget here, and there's a new control or something that is called Bluetooth power toggle. That doesn't actually work. So as you can see, I put it over here. It doesn't really work. Then in the settings app, down here, you have iCloud. And if you click on it, as you can see, the iCloud subscriber logo is animated now. Big improvements. Also about animation, if we go into the flashlight, you can see that the animation is much nicer now. So that is something that might be interesting for you. I think it is a very beautiful animation, and they're getting the hang of these kind of animations, and the controls are fantastic. So it is truly a really nice addition. I have to be honest with that. Then in Safari, if you go into Safari, you can see the private and tabbed like selector down here is super simple to switch between. That's a new thing. But other than that, guys, not much else has changed. iOS 18 is still a little bit away, so if you're waiting for that, be sure to subscribe to this channel. It will be coming sometime in September, and Apple Intelligence, in my belief, is coming around the 9th, 10th, or 11th of August. And why do I say? Because yesterday we received emails from the Apple developer community, or Apple itself, to the developer community, that they are inviting people to have a hands-on demo with Apple Intelligence and see how it works, and basically help developers create applications with Apple Intelligence. Now, you needed to request a time slot. It would be great if I would get a time slot. I don't know if I will, but they are going to get back to us by August 9. And that is a crucial date, because I think that's when the new iOS 18 Beta 5 or maybe Beta 6 comes out with Apple Intelligence already inside. So I cannot wait to see that. It's going to be fantastic. And until then, this is the big difference. In terms of battery use, let's talk about iOS 18 Beta 3 battery use, because this is still very early to talk about. Beta 3 was one of the worst batteries I've ever used, because it just couldn't last even half a day for me on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. The one actually I'm recording this video with, that's why you see an iPhone 14 Pro Max, because the 15 Pro Max is my main camera, and I freaking love this phone to film. I think it's fantastic. And I'm very sad that because of the issues with the battery in the new iOS 18 betas, the battery life is basically non-existent. Which is exactly why I recommend this case. This is the Apollo battery case that you can get on apollo-accessories.com. And this is an 8500 milliamp hours battery that will last you all day. This is specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And the unique thing about this case is, as you can see, you plug it in your phone via the USB-C cable, but on the back, as you can see over here, you can charge the case and the phone wirelessly, and it has MagSafe built in. It's one of the best cases for travelers. If you're planning to go somewhere, 8500 milliamp hours is going to get you from San Francisco to New York. No problem. On a flight, obviously, not walking. If you're interested on this case, then go to either bestiPhoneaccessories.com or apollo-accessories.com. So there you have it, iOS 18 Beta 4. I think the next iOS is coming out in 2 weeks. So when that comes out, I'll do a little video. I'll see what I can find. Nothing much changed with Beta 4, and I'm quite sad about it. Nothing major happened. Maybe under the hood, there are some things, and I'm pretty sure Brandon Butch or Zolotech goes very deep dive in those things. in my aspect, I just want to talk about like on surface level what you can see, like dude to dude. We're just chatting, we're just hanging out, we're just two dudes talking about iPhones, and yeah, I'll let the pros do what the pros do. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.